Today we are going to solve how to change the aspect ratio in Capcut. So first on your computer, you'll find the Capcut icon, which is going to be like this. You can see over here if you have pinned it to the taskbar, or you need to go to the start menu and you need to click on this search button and search in. You'll find the Capcut app. If you have not installed the app, you need to install it first, which is you can get it from Microsoft Store if you're on computer or Windows PC, or if you're on Mac, you can get it from Apple Store, or you can get it from their website. Now click on the Capcut icon. It's going to open up Capcut. Now in here, we need to click on Create Project. It's going to load for a few seconds and it's going to open up like this. Now first, we need to enter something into the timeline. So I'm going to import. Let's say I import this GIF here, and I click on this Add to Track, which is going to insert this GIF into the timeline. Now to change the aspect ratio, you're going to find this button next to this search type of a button. You're going to find ratio button. Click on it and it's going to give you all these options. You can either go for 16:9, which is for landscape, or you can go down, you'll find this 9:16, which will make it to like short, or for Instagram reels. If you want to upload shorts or Instagram reel, you can select 9:16. Now you will have these these circles on the corner. You can select it and drag, make the GIF larger. Or you also have an option on the left hand side, this transform. Under the transform, you have scale. You can click it and drag it to make it larger as well. Now if I click on play, and that's how you can change the aspect ratio in Capcut. Did this help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.